Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a shader graph asset and immediately assign it to the material used by your object so you can see live feedback. Make sure your project uses the correct render pipeline, ERP or HDRP, since targets differ, otherwise nodes won't compile. Add properties like color, texture 2D, and float to expose parameters in the inspector. Once done, add a sample texture 2D node and connect outputs to a PBR master or fragment master to start shaping your surface. Now you construct the core logic. Combine textures and values with multiply, add, and lerp nodes to control base color, metallic, and smoothness. Use time and sign to drive animated offsets. Modify UVs with tiling and offset or noise to vary patterns across the surface. For complex effects, layer masks via blend nodes and sample normals for surface detail. Make sure to preview outputs on multiple lighting setups so you know why values behave under different exposure. To finish, optimize by baking expensive operations to textures or using shader keywords to toggle features at runtime. This reduces per pixel cost. Consolidate repeated math into reusable subgraphs and minimize texture lookups where possible to keep performance predictable. Once done, test on target devices and LODs to ensure consistent results. If you see banding, seams, or incorrect lighting, check precision settings, verify normals are in the correct space, and confirm the graph target.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.